I stood outside the school gate. My hands were shaking. I was about to do something very bad. My name is Maya. I am 16 years old. I have no home. I have no family. I sleep in different places every night, sometimes in old buildings, sometimes under bridges. I am always cold and hungry. I steal to survive. Food, clothes, anything I can sell. I am good at stealing. Nobody ever catches me. But today, I wanted something big, something valuable. That morning, I saw a teacher outside a coffee shop. She was tall. She wore nice clothes. Around her neck was a beautiful gold necklace. It had big red stones. I could sell it for a lot of money. I could buy food for weeks. I followed her. She walked into Riverside High School. I waited outside. After 30 minutes, it got quieter. Then I walked in. My heart was beating fast. I wore a black jacket I had stolen last week. I wore old jeans. My shoes had holes. The school was big. Students walked everywhere. They were laughing. They were talking. They all wore clean clothes. They all looked happy. I felt different. I felt like I did not belong. I walked slowly through the hallways. I was looking for the teacher with the necklace. I checked every classroom. I looked through every window. Where was she? Then I saw her. She was teaching on the second floor. The necklace shone in the sunlight. I had to get it. I waited outside the classroom. I made a plan. Maybe I could take it from her office. I was thinking hard. Then I heard loud sounds. People were shouting and laughing. The sounds came from downstairs. I walked toward the sounds. I found the gym. The gym doors were open. Inside, students were playing basketball. They ran fast. They passed the ball. They shot at the basket. They missed a lot. The game looked fun. I stopped. I watched them. I forgot about the necklace. Basketball is something I know very well. I learned it on the streets. There is a court near the bridge where I sleep. I play there every day. It makes me happy. I watched the students play. They were not very good. They dropped the ball many times. I could play better than them. Much better. Suddenly, someone touched my shoulder. I jumped. My heart stopped. It was the gym teacher. He was big. He wore sports clothes. He looked serious.
Why aren't you in class?
He asked. I could not speak. My mouth was dry.
Come on, get in there.
He said. He pushed me into the gym.
Your team needs more players.
Before I could run away, I was standing on the basketball court. The other students looked at me. A girl handed me the ball. The game started. I held the ball. It felt good. I ran past 2 students. I jumped. I threw the ball. It went into the basket perfectly. Everyone stopped and stared.
Wow, that was amazing!
Someone shouted. We kept playing. I scored many points. I was fast. I was strong. I knew what to do. The other students could not stop me. I forgot I was a thief. I forgot I was hungry. I only thought about basketball. After the game, the gym teacher came to me.
What is your name?
He asked. Maya, I said quietly.
You are incredible. Are you new here?
I nodded. I was scared.
You must join the school team,
he said. He wrote my name in his notebook.
We have an important game next week. I need you.
I should have run, but I didn't. For the first time in years, someone thought I was good at something. Someone wanted me. The next day, I came back. I wore the same black jacket, but I also wore a white shirt. I had stolen it from a student's bag. I needed to look like a student. At lunchtime, I was very hungry. Students left lunch bags on tables. I took a sandwich from one bag. I took an apple from another. I ate in the bathroom. I practiced every day. The gym teacher gave me practice clothes, but my shoes were falling apart. In the locker room, I saw new white sneakers. They were in an open locker. Nobody was watching. I put them on. They fit perfectly. I practiced hard. I got better, faster, stronger. The other students started to like me. They smiled at me. They talked to me. I felt like I belonged somewhere for the first time. Saturday came. Big game. The gym was full. Parents sat in the chairs. Students cheered loudly. I felt proud. We played against another school. The game was very close. I scored 15 points. We were winning. Then something bad happened. A boy from my team looked at my feet. His face became angry.
"Those are my sneakers!"
He shouted.
"She stole my sneakers!"
Everyone stopped. They looked at me. My heart beat fast. I wanted to run. Then a girl pointed at my shirt.
That's my shirt. I lost it last week.
The gym teacher came over.
Maya, is this true?
He asked. I could not lie. Yes, I said quietly. Tears filled my eyes. I steal. I have no home, no money. I am not a student. I came to steal a teacher's necklace, but then I saw the basketball game. I forgot about stealing. Everyone was silent. I felt ashamed. I started to walk away.
Wait,
Said the gym teacher. His eyes were kind.
don't leave.
He called someone. A woman from social services came. Her name was Mrs. Chen. She listened. I told her everything. Sleeping on the streets, being hungry, having no family. Mrs. Chen made phone calls. She talked to many people. They gave me a safe place to stay. 2 weeks later, Mrs. Chen came back. She had good news. The government would pay for me to go to Riverside High School. They would give me a place to live. They would give me food and clothes. I could stay in a home with other teenagers who had no families. I started school on Monday. My own desk, my own books, my own real basketball shoes. I joined the team officially. We won many games. I was the best player. A coach from the national team saw me. He said I could play for the teen national team one day. Now I am 17. I go to school every day. I have friends, teachers who care, and I play basketball at the highest level. I came to that school to steal, but I found something better. Hope. A future. Sometimes life surprises you when you least expect it. And I still wonder, what would have happened if I never went to that gym that day? Have you ever had a life-changing surprise? Share in the comments and subscribe to improve your English with stories.